Hello everyone. Welcome back to Studs Made Simple. In the last video, we understood what the R programming. What is the R? Now, in today's video, I will show you how to install R and RStudio step by step. It is a beginner guide for everyone who don't have any prior knowledge of programming, any type of programming language. So to install the R, we will go to the Chrome and we will search into the Google like CRAN crane. Now hit the enter. It will show you a website that is the official website for the to install the R or download the R. It is a compressive archive network. Now click on this and open this link. Now you have to select your system, operating system. Click on that and download it. I have Windows operating system, so I will click on the download R for Windows. If you have Mac, then click on the Mac. If you have Linux, then click on the Linux. So I am clicking on the download R for the Windows. When I'm clicking on this, so if you are installing it for the first time, then you have to click on this install R for the first time. Click on this. Now go to this download R 4.6.0. This is the current version of R. So you have to click on this. It will show you like this. So you have to download this R programming language extension. Now click on the save. Now it is downloading. So when it is downloading, it will take some time. It has downloaded. Then now we will click on this .exe folder. Click on this .exe folder. Then it आपका जो सिस्टम है वो आपको पूछेगा कि आपको इस ऐप को इंस्टॉल करना है और नहीं. इफ अगर आपको इंस्टॉल करना है तो आप यस पे क्लिक करिए, अदरवाइज आप नो पे क्लिक करिए. सो आई एम गोइंग टू क्लिक ऑन यस. It will saying me like select your language, English, Hindi, Punjabi, whatever you want to. Now read all this information and go ahead. Now it is asking to install the R location. So अगर आपको जिस भी लोकेशन पे इस आर को इंस्टॉल करना है, इस आर प्रोग्रामिंग को इंस्टॉल करना है, इससे रिलेटेड लाइब्रेरीज को इंस्टॉल करना है, तो आप वहां यहाँ पे ब्राउज पे जाके आप उसको सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं ताकि आप अपने स्टोरेज के अकॉर्डिंग उसको मैनेज कर सकें. नाउ आई एम सिलेक्टिंग दिस डिफॉल्ट थिंग, so I will go to the next, then next, then next, then next, then next. It is installing the R into the My System, or it is for the Windows. When you will click, you will install into the Mac, then it will show you related to Mac information. When it is installing, I want to tell you about some history of the R programming language. R programming language started from 1993 by Robert Gentleman and ROS IHACA. It is a standard tool that used in data science, research, or academia. It is an open source programming language. Anyone can use. You don't have to pay anything. It is a software environment designed for the statistical computing, data analysis, and for the data visualization. It is completely free. Now our R installation is complete. Now it is going to open. Let's see how it is open. Some persons see like R is a difficult programming language and R Studio is a very user friendly. In R, we don't have like any type of recommendation, but R Studio has recommendation. That's why R Studio is the IDE, integrated development environment. That is very user friendly. And that is for the beginner one. You are going to entry, who are going to entry in the data science or data analysis world. R Studio ID created in the 2010 on and publicly used started in 2011. I will show you how to install RStudio also, and we will work only on the RStudio because it is very user friendly and it is very good for you. I am waiting for the opening of the R. Let's try it by one. R is a necessary. R installment is a necessary to install the RStudio because RStudio will work on the R network. RStudio is a beta version and don't have the very user friendly things. And RStudio has RStudio has very user friendly things. When you will work on this, then you will know about that. It is taking very long. Now, side by side, install the RStudio. To install the RStudio, search RStudio download. It will show you this version. We have to click on this link. This is the official one. Click on this. Now go to now select your version like Windows, Mac, etc. Click on that. I have Windows, so I'm click on this. Click on the save. RStudio is downloading. After 2011, only RStudio is It has uses more uses in the community of data analysis in RStudio. Now we will install this RStudio. नाउ इट इज अगेन आस्किंग, ये आपको अगेन पूछ रहा है कि आपको ये ऐप इंस्टॉल करना है आपकी डिवाइस में और नहीं। अगर आपने इंस्टॉल करना है तो आप यस पे क्लिक करिए, अगर नहीं तो नो पे क्लिक करिए। हमें इंस्टॉल करना है तो हम यस पे क्लिक करेंगे। अब हमें ये सारा सेटअप जैसे डिफॉल्ट इसे में पूछता है, हमें वैसे वैसे नेक्स्ट पे क्लिक करे करते जाना है। अगेन आपको ये यहाँ पे पूछ रहा है कि आपको आर स्टूडियो कहाँ इंस्टॉल करना है। जो भी आप इससे रिलेटेड इसमें जो भी लाइब्रेरीज जो भी पैकेज इंस्टॉल करेंगे वो कहाँ पे सेव होएगी। तो आई एम यूजिंग द डिफॉल्ट वन, यू कैन चूज एनी वन अकॉर्डिंग टू योर space in your system. Now it is installing in my system. It will install in your system as well also in this way. Let's see, R install. This is the R look likes. And source R code, new script. If you want to do R programming, if you want to code in the R itself, R GUI, then you have to type here any code like library. Hence, if you want to call library XLSX, then you will have to type in this way here. And this result, you have to run this control plus R. And this will run like this. Let's see how our studio looks like. Is it done? Yes, is it done? Open the RS Studio. This is the how our studio looks like. Here you will type your script. Here in this area you can see your data set that you will load. Here you will see the output your data when you type any type of code. And here you can see plot and something packages that you want to store. This is this is the way our studio looks like. This is known as the console. This is known as the script area. This is known as the environment, and this is known as the visualization panel. But don't worry, we will all understand these things step by step in the upcoming videos. Now you have R Studio in your system, so we are ready to start our journey in our programming. In the coming next videos, we will start commanding, scripting in the R, and we will start from the basic itself, step by step. So, to understand all the things in the R, please make sure you subscribe StatsMed Simple and continue your learning with StatsMed Simple. Let's make statistics simple together. Thank you.